I got a whole lot of packages to unbox because I set up a Throne page and a lot of people have been gifting me stuff. I believe this is from Glitch Baby. Glitch Baby, thank you so much. I believe this is going to be an SD card, a micro SD card, hopefully, for my phone. And it is a Samsung micro SD card, and it comes with a little adapter, which is kind of nice. As you can see here, that's the SD card, and it's 256 gigabytes. And yeah, we're gonna open it right now. Really hate those packagings. You have to completely destroy in order to get the product out. But here we are. There it is. All right, that's the thumbnail shot for sure. It is so tiny. No bad jokes, please. So there's a little slot here. That's where you put the SD card right there. Boom. There's a little slider here if you want to lock the data. And then you just put this in whatever SD card reader you have. Turns it from a micro SD to an SD card, basically. And yes, it's a class 10 micro SD card. Can't wait to put it in my phone and be able to record more videos because I do content with my phone, so I really needed this extension. Glitch Baby, thank you so much for the gift. And yeah, if you would like to see my Throne page, gift me stuff, or even suggest some stuff that you can put in there, like in the description. If you would like to get yourself a micro SD 256 gigabytes from Samsung, I will also put a link in the description. No outro for this channel. Bye-bye.